United Kingdom has taken a decisive step to reassert its military manufacturing autonomy with the unveiling of a state-of-the-art artillery barrel production plant by BAE Systems in Sheffield. Representing a £25 million investment, the 94,000 square foot facility restores a critical capability absent from Britain's defence sector for years, the domestic fabrication of howitzer barrels. Set to reach full operational capacity by the close of 2025, the facility will initially concentrate on producing barrels for the M777 lightweight howitzer, a weapon system renowned for its global battlefield success. Plans are already in motion to expand production lines to accommodate newer artillery technologies in development for both the UK and its international defence partners. British Defence Secretary John Healey MP visited the site on June 12, 2025, emphasizing the facility's importance not only to military readiness but also to national security strategy. In an era of escalating global threats, the move to reshore this core defense manufacturing capability marks a calculated bid to boost Britain's self-reliance and reduce exposure to vulnerable overseas supply chains. The government-backed project is also expected to generate skilled jobs and revitalize the historic steel and engineering industries in South Yorkshire. Beyond manufacturing, the site is envisioned as a nucleus for workforce development, with ties to regional academic institutions aiming to foster the next wave of defense engineers and technicians. BAE Systems' Sheffield site cements its position as the UK's sole comprehensive provider of land artillery, from design and development to production and through-life support. With integrated facilities for R&D, prototyping, and sustainment, the company will be able to accelerate the deployment of advanced weaponry tailored to evolving operational environments. The M777 will serve as the flagship product for the factory's early operations. Engineered from lightweight titanium, the 155mm towed howitzer delivers high-caliber firepower with unmatched mobility, making it ideal for airlift missions and rapid deployment. Its field-proven performance spans several major theaters of war, including Afghanistan, Iraq, and Ukraine. With precision-guided ammunition, the M777 boasts a strike radius of up to 40 kilometers, making it a formidable asset for modern conflict zones. Over 1,000 units have been commissioned globally, with increasing demand from NATO countries and Indo-Pacific partners due to its strategic versatility and battlefield agility. Earlier in the year, BAE Systems secured a significant contract from the UK government to supply 150 gun barrels to Ukraine, working alongside Sheffield Forgemasters. This deal not only highlights the site's production capabilities but also signals the UK's commitment to supporting Allied defence forces amid growing geopolitical instability. Additionally, BAE continues to provide rapid maintenance and refurbishment services for the British Army's 105mm light guns, reinforcing the company's role in delivering end-to-end artillery solutions. These capabilities reflect a broader shift in military procurement, away from mere acquisition toward integrated lifecycle support and sustained readiness. Designed with modular production lines, the factory is built to adapt swiftly to future artillery programs, ensuring long-term viability and export potential. It symbolizes not just a rebirth of heavy defense manufacturing in Britain, but a strategic platform for innovation, resilience, and global defense leadership. By re-establishing artillery production on home soil, the UK is reinforcing its strategic independence and positioning itself at the cutting edge of 21st-century defense technology. The Sheffield plant is more than just a manufacturing hub, it is a cornerstone of national security and industrial resurgence.